I am words. I am. I'm. I'm important. Impact. Impossible. Imperative. Imaginary. I am talks about instant messaging. That's different from I'm. I'm busy. I'm in a hurry. We must rush. Sorry, I'm about to go to a meeting. I'll call you back later, okay? So what about the word impolite? It's impolite to swear. Another word for impolite or not polite is rude. Those people are always coming up with great ideas. They have a really good imagination. They can think outside the box. What you can't say in English is, oh, you have a good sense of fantasy. Doesn't make sense. So you have a good sense of imagination. You can say that. Impressive. To impress. To make an impression. That's impressive. Something that's positively shocking. It's impossible to be impolite if you remember your manners. So remember those special little words. Please, thank you, excuse me, and remember to smile. Oh, I'm sorry. I might have expressed myself incorrectly. I did not mean to be impolite. Let me put it another way. Imperative. Something that is imperative is something really, really important. So, it is imperative that we tell our clients what we are using their data for. Impossible. I hate it when somebody says that it's impossible. Where there's a will, there's a way, right? Oh dear. The impact of not seeing that log meant that I went head over heels and landed on my back. Ouch. Social media enables us to measure the impact of advertising much more accurately. So, if it's imperative for you to make a really good impression, then email me today at info@bitesizedenglish.com and we'll find the best approach for you.